Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have some questions on alcohol, ethers, and thiols to practice now. Okay, first question. Circle the molecule below that has the higher boiling point, okay? As you can see, we have alcohol and we have ether, okay? هلا, if he provided two structure asking about boiling point, they should be of comparable size. What I meant by comparable size, that they have almost the same molecular weight, okay? They have the same, almost the same molecular weight, the same number of carbon, the same number of hydrogen, the same number of oxygen. Okay, تقريبا بتكون أوزانهم الجزيئية قريبة من بعض. Okay, first one is alcohol, second one is ether. Always alcohol have a higher boiling point than this ether. Okay, circle the molecule below that is more soluble in water. First one is alcohol. It's polar. Second one, this one is alkan. Alkan have no polar bonds. So alkan are not polar. So alcohol is polar, then it will be soluble in water. The question 3. Circle the molecule below that is more soluble in water. Again, there is an ether and alcohol. The answer will be alcohol. It's more soluble in water. It have higher boiling point. They can make hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Okay. Here, question 4, we have some compound names, and he's asking about draw a correct structure for each of the following IPAC names. Okay, let's start with A, 3-ethoxyhexane. You will see hexane, it means the longest carbon is 6 carbon, okay, 6. At position 3, we'll have a substituent. The substituent is ethoxy, it means that O CH2 CH3. How I will draw it? I'll draw it like this. 1, 2, this is 3, and here 4, this is 5, this is 6. You will have at 3 ethoxy. Ethoxy, it means that O CH2 CH3. Okay? طيب. B, 1 ethoxy, 2 propyl cyclohexane. This is an easy one, the cyclic compound. Directly, I would draw a 6-membered ring. Okay, you will draw a 6-membered ring. Position 1 and 2. At 1, we have a substituent. At 2, we have a substituent. 1, the substituent is ethoxy. Again, ethoxy, it means O, CH2, CH3. 2, it's a propyl. Propyl يعني 3 carbon. It means that CH2, this is CH2, this is CH2, this is CH3. Okay, this is a propyl substitution. هلا why it's 1 ethoxy 2 propyl؟ ها ليش ما حكينا it's 2 ethoxy مثلا 1 propyl? Because it's alphabetic order. E from ethoxy comes before B of propyl. Okay, إذا E of ethoxy comes before P of the propyl. So 1 goes to ethoxy. Okay. Compound C, 3-ethyl, 3-heptanol. You can see all. So the compound is alcohol. Okay, the compound is alcohol. The longest carbon chain will be 7. Okay, let's see. This is will be 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Continuous carbon chain with 7 bonds. Okay, at position 3 there is all, the functional group all. As you can see at carbon 3 there is all. Okay, there is 3 ethyl. At carbon 3 there is an ethyl. You can see this compound and think there is a missing methyl. At 2 there is a methyl group. Okay, there is a methyl group, so I will cancel this one. The name will be it will be 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, 3-heptanol. It will be 3. I will try to write it. It's 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, and 3 heptanol. If you can see it now, I have wrote the correct name. It's a 3-ethyl 2-methyl 3-heptanol. Okay, there is something wrong with this name. Okay, heptanol. طيب let's go to the last one اللي هو D. D is cyclohexanol. This is an easy one. Cyclohexanol, cyclic. It means that I have a 6-membered ring joined to or attached to OH group. Okay? Attached to OH group. So cyclohexanol حتكون attached لل OH. He will be number 1. Then I will have a 3-methyl group. I have 3-methyl group. He says that it's a trimethyl, so there is a 3-methyl group. هلا وين البوزيشن تاعهم at 3 and 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Okay, you will see at 3 there is 2-methyl group, 5 it have 1-methyl group. So those are the structures. Okay. هلا give a correct name for each of the following. I have compound A. Okay. هلا compound A, it's an ether. As you can see, this is the longest carbon chain اللي هي contains 1, 2 and 3. I have at one substituent اللي هو O CH2, CH3. It is ethoxy. So it will be 1 ethoxy. The longest carbon chain is 3 atoms. So it's a propane. It's 1 ethoxy propane. Okay. This compound. نبدأ الترقيم بحيث إني أكون أقرب للfunctional group. الfunctional group مين هي؟ OH. Don't forget OH. Let's start. 1, 2. هلا إذا رحتوا على اليمين حيكون 3 4 5 بس إذا رحنا على اليسار حتكون 2 3 4 5 6. إذا this is the numbering. okay. هلا ما بعمل ترقيم للسلسلة اللي من تحت. be careful. I start numbering أقرب للfunctional group والسلسلة لازم تكون تحمل الfunctional group. okay. As you can see in position 2 there is a substitution عبارة عن 3 carbons. This is a propyl, so it will be 3 propyl and carbon 1 attached to OH, so it's 1. أطول سلسلة فيها 6 فهي hex والfunctional group alcohol then it will be all. So this is a propyl, 3 propyl, 1 hexanol. Okay, look for this one. It's a cyclic compound. Okay, 6-membered ring. This is a cyclo. اوكي سايكلوهكسان بانها اتاتش لالكحول صار اسمها سايكلوهكسانول. طبعا شورلي حتكون هي رقمها 1 الكربون الماسكه لوج. بعدين حمشي اللي هو 2 3 الترقيم clockwise. هتجدي ان I have a substitution at 3 فهو اسمه 3 methyl cyclohexanol. اوكي خلينا نشوف هذا المركب which is a thiol. كيف حسميه؟ again بدور على ال longest continuous chain that is holding or passing or holding the functional group. فحتكون this is 1. اوكي مش يحط ال1 على الكبريت على السلفر atom. no, 1 for the carbon. I'm numbering the carbon atoms. be careful. don't number the oxygen in alcohol. don't number the oxygen in the ether. never number the sulfur atom اللي هي الاس. احنا بنرقم فقط ذرات كربون. so this is 1, this is will be 2, this is 3. okay so عند 2 في تفرع اللي هو مثل ف it will be 2 methyl وكربون number 1 is attached to SH the thiol group, so it will be 2 methyl 1. أطول سلسلة فيها 3 كربون فهي بروبان ended with ethiol to refers to the SH group. okay إذا 2 methyl 1 بروبان thiol. okay هلا I have some short answer question. ممكن إنه يعاد صياغته بطريقة مختلفة في الامتحان but it will be the same answer. The following compound is obtained by the oxidation of a primary alcohol. It means that if I bring a primary alcohol وعملنا له oxidation شو حنحصل؟ We will get carboxylic acid. طيب 2. The following compound is obtained by the oxidation of secondary alcohol. إذا جبنا secondary alcohol وعملنا له oxidation by using any oxidizing agent, what we will get? We will get ketone. طيب. The dehydration of alcohol, it means the removal of water from alcohol, removal, is an example of what type of reaction. شو ممكن أنا أوصف عملية نزع الماء؟ بنسميها elimination reaction. To eliminate, it means to remove. Okay. هلا question 4. CH3, CH2OH, this is ethanol, can be converted into CH3, C double bond OH, acetic acid. كيف بدي أحول إيثانول which is a primary alcohol إلى carboxylic acid؟ كيف؟ عن طريق عملية الأكسدة باستخدام إيش؟ باستخدام عامل مؤكسد oxidizing agent. وإحنا أخذنا في lectures in your slides and lecture you will find the oxidizing agent is K2Cr2O7. Okay. هلا different type of a question such as this question, how can you prepare cyclohexane from cyclohexanol؟ يعني حبدأ بسايكلوهكسانول وأحولها إلى cyclohexane. الخطوة الأولى اللي هي dehydration of cyclohexanol. شو يعني؟ حنزع الماء من السايكلوهكسانول. As you can see this is cyclohexanol. هنعمل له dehydration removal of water. I need acidic media H+ وheat. هيصير عندك اللي هو removal of water. بيخرج الماء وبيتكون عندك double bond. Then step 2 reduction of cyclohexene. هعمل اختزال للسايكلوهكسين اللي نتج معي من الخطوة الأولى. هلا بسمي هذا الرياكشن إما reduction يعني إضافة هيدروجين adding of hydrogen أو بنسميه hydrogenation. Hydrogenation هي نفسها adding of hydrogen or reduction of cyclohexene. It's the same. إذا hydrogenation ممكن أسميها adding of hydrogen or reduction. It's the same. Okay. Cyclohexene حتى أعمل له hydrogenation I will use hydrogen gas in the presence one of the catalysts such as platinum or palladium or nickel. Okay. حيصير في عندي addition تكسر الرابطة الثنائية وكل واحدة من الكربونز المشاركة في الرابطة الثنائية بتاخذ 1H. So it will be cyclohexane as a final product. Okay. عندي هذا التفاعل بيكون عاطيني اللي هو الستارتنج ماتيريال الكحول وعاطيني اللي هو K2Cr2O7. كلكم بتعرفوا K2Cr2O7 this is an oxidizing agent. اوكي هلا قبل ما اجاوب انا بطلع على هذا الستراكشر. This is a secondary alcohol. You should classify it as a primary or secondary or tertiary. هلا oxidation of primary alcohol it will yield aldehyde then carboxylic acid. Oxidation of secondary alcohol you will get ketone. بينما tertiary alcohol إذا عملنا له oxidation there is no reaction في الظروف العادية. Okay. إذا this is a secondary alcohol لأنه هاي الكربون اللي ماسكة ال OH. شوفي بكم كربون ماسكة. ماسكة كربون هون واحد والكربون هون. إذا الكربون اللي لونها أزرق ماسكة ال OH. هذه هي اللي بدي أصنفها. بما إنه في على يمينها كربون لونها أحمر وعلى يسارها كربون لونها أحمر فأنا صنفته as a secondary alcohol. Since it's a secondary alcohol, it will be oxidized to ketone. Okay, it will be oxidized to ketone. طيب طلعي هون على هذا الكحول العاطينية بحكي لي it will be reacted the presence of H+ and heat. بدل heat حط لي إنه درجة الحرارة 50 يعني it's heating. Okay, heat. هلا تفاعل زي هذا كحول بوسط حامضي مع هيت شو اللي حيصير عندي حيصير عندي dehydration reaction. اوكي شو يعني dehydration reaction? it means removal of water. هاخذ OH من الكربون الماسكه ال OH ومن وحده من اي كربونه من الكربونات الثلاثه او اللي هي يعني CH3 the first CH3 or the second CH3 or the third CH3 you can choose anyone. هاخذ إذا ال OH من الكربون اللي ماسكيتها ومن أي كربون مجاور لها يتم نزع H الثانية وبيخرجوا على شكل جزيء ماء، والكربونز اللي تم النزع منهم بصير بينهم دبل بوند. طبعا سواء أخذت من من CH3 الكربون اللي رقمها 1 أو من الكربون اللي ححط عليها رقم 2 أو الكربون اللي رقمها 3 you will end with the same product. طيب في حال حسيتي إنه يعني this is final product أو you have more than final product try to name it. أوكي هلا أنت أحيانا بتشوفوهم إنهم أكثر من product الجواب النهائي، بس لما تيجوا تسميهم حتجدوهم إنهم they are the same compound. Okay dear? Thank you.